Hey everybody, we're going to find the sum of these two arithmetic sequences, these two right here, and we're using this formula. The problem is, for example, if I use number 1, I know my first term is 8, and my last term, or my nth term, is negative 10. But we don't know how many terms are here, unless you kind of just manually do that. So what we're going to do is find the formula for n, and then use this formula after we find n. And then we're going to do these two problems. So what we're going to do to find n is solve for n in our arithmetic sequence formula. So we're going to subtract a sub 1 from both sides. And that gives you n minus 1 times d. Then divide both sides by d. So you get a sub n minus a sub 1 over d equals n minus 1. You just divide both sides by d. Then we're just going to add 1. So basically n equals our last term minus our first term over our common difference plus 1. And this is actually a good formula to memorize. So make sure you know this formula, because sometimes it's not on your little formula sheets. So here we go back to this problem. We have our two formulas we're going to use to solve this problem. So we need to know how many terms we have for this. So what I'm going to do is determine that. So n equals my last term minus my first term over my common difference. Now my common difference, we're going down by 2, so it's negative 2. We're subtracting 2. Then we add 1. So our number of terms is negative 18 over negative 2 plus 1, which equals 9 plus 1, which equals 10. So our n equals 10. Then you merely use your formula. We're doing the sum of these, like you can change that to 10 now, equals 10 over 2 times 8 plus a negative 10. So this is basically going to equal 5 times negative 2, which equals negative 10. So just remember, try to remember this formula. It's not that bad, really. Okay, the next one is here, and I'm going to have to find the number of terms. Definitely you don't want to manually do this one. So we're going to take our last term minus our first term over your common difference, which is positive 3, plus 1. So our n is going to be 96 over 3 plus 1. So our n equals 32 plus 1. So we have a total of 33 terms. All right, that's our n. Then you merely use your sum formula. So we have 33 over 2 times 3 plus 99, which equals 33. And this is going to be over 2 times 1, 0, 2. 2 goes into that 51 times. Then you multiply that out, and you should get 1,683. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.